This is like a super easy way to make super creamy, delicious ice cream.
Gregordy Gourdet and we're having a good time. He's a great teacher, and I'm a very eager student.
Ice cream is a ratio of sugar, fat, and protein. The base of everything is soaked toasted cashews. We soak the cashews so they get nice and tender when we blend them. They'll add this beautiful creamy nuttiness.
Now the vanilla bean.
Just right into our base. We're gonna add 2 2/3 cup of coconut cream.
Okay.
A little bit of salt, 2 teaspoons.
And the ice cream?
Yeah.
Those look like tablespoons to me. Those are chef teaspoons.
Chef teaspoons.
Yes.
And then we are going to add 8 ounces of palm sugar. So we have our lid nice and tight. We're gonna start on low.
Break it up.
Yep. We're gonna add vanilla extract.
A little more vanilla.
A little vanilla.
That's not a little.
A little bit of coconut oil because that fat is just gonna help give it some body. So we're just gonna cool that off. It helps the spinning process go a little bit faster.
Ice cream's not that hard to make.
Not at all. We'll let this spin, I would say about 45 minutes. It's
Oh, we have
nice.
to taste this.
Yes, yes.
I'm not an ice cream girl. Let's try this. Oh, that is so good. That's not ice cream. It's better than ice cream. But I'm that kind of ice cream girl. No, I'm getting happy feet like my kids do.